大家好, this is 小狗 Chinese. In this video, I'll show you how to type Chinese characters on your devices using pinyin. First, let's add keyboard. I'll use MacBook and iPhone as example. If you use Windows or Android, don't worry. I'm pretty sure there is similar information online. First, on your MacBook, go to Settings. On the left column, click Keyboard. Find Text Input, Input Sources. Click Edit. On the very lower left, click the plus button. Type Chinese to the search bar. You will see Simplified and Traditional. Doesn't matter which one you choose. The typing procedure using pinyin is pretty much the same. And then choose pinyin. Click the blue button that says Add. To add keyboard on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Keyboard. Tap on the first one, Keyboard. Add New Keyboard. Type Chinese in the search bar. Add either Simplified or Traditional. And then QWERTY. QWERTY is very similar to your English keyboard, and it's very easy to adapt. Alright, now ready for typing. When typing in pinyin, there are two things you need to do. First, type the pinyin. Second, choose the wanted characters. Let's start with 你好. To type 你好, first input the initials and finals, 呢一, 和ao. Second, choose the correct characters, which is the first one. You can just type the initials of both characters, 呢 and 和. This way, we'll also get 你好. Some native speakers use this method to save time, but if you're just starting to learn Chinese, you might want to type the whole thing, because this helps you remember the pinyin more accurately. Now let's try typing a sentence. 你叫什么名字? Likewise, type the initials and finals. 呢一, 基幺, 施恩, 摸阿, 摸英, 资, and choose the correct characters. Usually, the first one should be correct. However, it's not always the case. When you type something unique, like a name, the very first option might not always conveniently be the right one. Let's say your name is Yang Qi, and you're trying to create a profile on the dating app. To fill in the blank for a name, you type Yang Qi. You can always unfold more options by clicking the down arrow button and choose the right characters for Yang Qi. To type Yu, which is the U with two dots on top, we use V on the keyboard. For example, 女人 is NVREN. Now it's your turn. Try typing the following sentences. 我叫古绿，你呢？爸爸的妈妈叫奶奶。你学会了吗？